Before we get into this video, I am looking a little bit crazy because I've just obviously, clearly, very clearly, done my makeup. Hun, it's 2016, in 2026, let a girl live, okay? Okay, let's begin. Let us begin. So today I wasn't even going to do another video, but here we are again. Hello, welcome back. I was just scrolling on Instagram as you do. I was looking at Mikayla's page again because you know I'm a fan, even though I'm not. Can't really work out how I feel about it, but she's got new hair. I just came across this post from 5 days ago, and it's saying that she's got something else to release on the 21st of this month. Now, it is something to do with PDRN, which is salmon sperm. If you don't know now, you know. I'm going to show you the video, of course. My first thought was, how do you even know all this information about PDRN if it hasn't really been a massive, you know, trending, popular thing for that long? Let's just watch this and you'll see what I mean.
Full face of salmon sperm. Turns out that PDRN is essentially like a miracle for your skin. It reduces inflammation, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, helps restore the skin barrier, helps with hydration and elasticity, producing collagen. It does everything. This is a bottle of salmon sperm and it's literally the strongest one on the market. I am addicted to putting sperm on my face. Salmon sperm. And I know what you're thinking. Why the hell would I want to put salmon sperm in my skincare routine? Believe it or not, PDRN is an incredible skincare ingredient. It helps with elasticity, hydration, brightening the skin, evening out the skin tone, collagen, firmness. Salmon sperm. Yes, bitch, you heard that right. This is all over Korea. And I am obsessed with it. If they had salmon sperm, I bought it. I was on the hunt for new K-beauty, trending K-beauty, and PDRN salmon sperm. I'm obsessed with it right now. I use it every single day, and I love it so much. And Korea has the best salmon sperm in the world, so I picked up a bunch of it. While I was in Korea, I even got a prescription salmon sperm from a pharmacy. This is a bag of sperm. Pour the salmon sperm into this. You are not soaking your face in salmon sperm in 2025. What are you doing? I think it's my turn. Full face.
Okay. What? So, there's just like a few issues because first of all, like I've said, it hasn't been like a massively popular thing for long enough for her to have done this much research, you know, to be releasing her own products with PDRN in. It's very odd to me. I feel like it is just a cash grab thing that she's doing. I feel like it is all just for money. Has she really put this much research into this product, or has she just rushed out, made something she's seen trending just for the money? That sounds more likely to me. I'm just a bit confused as to what she's actually doing with this brand because it started off as a makeup prep brand, then it kind of like, you know, went into makeup, and now we're going into skincare. So I know you venture out, or whatever the word is, and like, you know, do different things within a business when you set it up, but this is like she's totally blind to it all and just leading with a money brain, just letting her money obsessed mind do the work, come up with the ideas, which, you know, it's not supposed to be like if you're starting a brand, you want to do it because you've got a passion for what you're doing. You want to do it because you believe in your products, not to just sell them to people. There's enough shit, okay? There's enough shit. I don't think we need to keep adding things, especially if your whole heart isn't in it. Which to me, it seems like it isn't where Mikayla's concerned. Just, you know, undisclosed ads, not knowing exactly what she's doing with a brand. It feels really sloppy. Like, her heart's not in it, like I've said. Just really false. Someone needs to sit her down and say, Mikayla, what is your goal here? What are your intentions with this brand? Because you can't just kind of, I mean, of course she can because it's her brand, but what I'm trying to say is it's not the best way to gain credibility and, you know, trust. She's not beating these allegations of her only caring about money anytime soon. Lashgate to PDRN gate. So we have another video here. Let's have a look at that one.
Are you ready to get snatched? Introducing Point of View's new Snatch It PDRN Face Ampule. But I didn't stop there. This is the new Snatch It Eye Serum. Science-backed duo powered by PDRN that is going to lift, firm, plump your skin, plus so much more. Not to mention, these products are made in Korea, dermatologist tested, clinically tested, and proven to do exactly what they say they're gonna do, as well as suitable for sensitive skin, non-irritating, and just plain fucking awesome. The reason I wanted to create Snatch It and do a PDRN product is because PDRN truly works at enhancing elasticity and your skin's longevity. Over a year ago, I started working with top Korean chemists to be one of the first US-based brands to develop a salmon-derived PDRN at an efficacious level. That PDRN is formulated at a low molecular weight, which actually allows it to penetrate into the skin and deliver. I would never just launch a product with one hero ingredient. Yes, Snatch It has PDRN, but it also has a peptide complex, ceramides, and cica exosomes, everything you look for in the longevity of your skin. Yes, I made it blue. It is a natural coloring, and the texture of this is so different than the other Point of View products. You have mature skin, I made this especially for you. It gives a beautiful glow to the skin, but not too much. Not only do you have the stunning finish, but my skin is juicy. It is feeling tight. This is going to do, and what we have clinically proven it will do, there are instant and long-term results. Instantly, the Snatch It technology is going to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, blur the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, hydrate and plump the skin, soothe redness and irritation, support your skin barrier. Over time, with consistent use of these, it is going to firm and sculpt your skin, going to lift to look visibly tightened, actually reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve the elasticity of your skin to make it appear more plump and bouncy, and also support your skin's microbiome. We performed over 11 tests to make sure that everything I just said is true. Let's talk about the product you guys have been begging for, an eye serum. Routine is going to thank you. This is best for dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness under the eyes, bags. Going to help with a loss of volume, a loss of firmness, and if you struggle with dryness and creasing, I made this to work really well with your concealer. Not to mention, it has this amazing cooling tip applicator. It's going to make the experience of applying it so much better. You'll actually notice that this also has a slightly blue tint. It's going to feel cooling right upon application. There's a little bit of blur to this as well as intense hydration. You can already see as I'm blending this in, it is hydrating my under eye like crazy. I like to kind of blend and get a little bit of coolness underneath my eyes, and then I'll take it and blend the rest with my fingers. I have tried all the eye creams and I was not messing around with this. You are going to feel an instant tightening on your under eyes. It blurs the under eyes slightly so your concealer goes on smoother. This is my skin with just the face ampule and the eye serum. It is beautiful. I already know what you're going to ask. Where does Snatch It go in my routine? Okay, we created Snatch It to perfectly be incorporated into your Point of View routine. You can use Snatch It morning or night. It works great as skin prep, but also it's going to give you those long-term firming, tightening, lifting benefits that you want. So I like to use it morning and night. Now I start with the eye serum, then I do drench it, then I do drip it, then I incorporate Snatch It. Then I go in with whip it, and if you're wearing makeup, glaze it. And that is the full Point of View routine. Snatch It is launching tomorrow at noon Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm going to answer all your questions in a separate video.
Okay, I have a question. Because, like, this is exactly what I mean. You know, she started it as a makeup prep line, but they are skincare products. Am I wrong? If I am wrong, I apologise, but that to me is skincare, is it not? So when she were like, no, it's not skincare, it's skin prep, it's makeup prep, and everyone were like, no, you're bullshitting, we were all right, yeah? Yeah. Another thing is that she said it's been over a year in the making. I'm not sure where she's getting her timelines from, but she said the same thing about the last launch that she did. And I'm sorry, I just don't believe that she's had the time to research and put her all into every single product that she's released in that time. I'm not sure, you know, I'm not sure on all the little details of, you know, product development, but I'm sure it'd take longer than that. Especially seeing as it's Mikayla, she's not someone who works within product development, she's a content creator. I just find it really odd, if I'm honest. I think in my head it makes sense for Mikayla to have a makeup brand. She's a content creator, she's an influencer, she's a beauty influencer. I don't know where she's getting her skincare knowledge from. Yes, she's been to Korea and most likely works with people in labs and people who are product developers, but that doesn't make her an expert. And she's making out like she is really, really hands-on in this business. I don't think she will be, because, like I've said, she'd probably need more knowledge. She'd need more experience, more just general expertise in skincare. Maybe I am wrong, maybe she is really, really intelligent and, you know, educated in that area, but it just doesn't seem that way. And it's kind of evident that she doesn't really have that much knowledge in what she's trying to sell in the way she's showing us about these products. For example, she's saying it's super hydrating, super smoothing, super all these different words. Of course it is, it's a cream. It's a serum. Eye cream, of course it's going to be hydrating because you're putting a cream under your eyes. And the metal applicator to give you that cooling feeling under your eyes. That has been done before. That is nothing innovative, it's nothing new. And I really feel like the way she talks about these certain points, it's like she's the founder of it, she's made this feature, she's the first person to ever have this feature on a product. You're not, hun, you're not, okay, you're not. Plenty of brands have done it before. Plenty of brands will continue to do it after you. Let me know what you think. I feel like she's just trying to claim something that isn't hers. I feel like she's trying to make it seem like all these products are so innovative and never been seen before to get people to buy them. I think she's playing too heavily on what's trending and focusing more on what's trending rather than her real passion. And it shouldn't be like that in my opinion. But that's just mine. What's yours? Let me know. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye.